Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling dictation so the Mac can convert speech into text. Open System Settings, go to Keyboard, then Dictation, and toggle it on. Choose your preferred language and pick the built-in microphone or an external USB/mic. Set a simple shortcut like pressing FN twice to start and stop. Make sure you allow microphone access in privacy and security if Mac OS asks. Once that's configured, you're ready to call up dictation inside any text field or document and begin speaking. You now practice using dictation in a real app. Place the cursor where you want text, notes, pages, mail, or a browser form, then press the shortcut you set. Speak naturally. Say words like period, comma, question mark to insert punctuation, and pause briefly between sentences. The system transcribes live. Press the shortcut again to finish. If you need paragraphs, say new line or new paragraph. Once done, make sure to scan and edit capitalization or any misheard words. You finish by improving accuracy and handling problems. Make sure dictation's language and dialect match your voice. Swap to an external mic if clarity is poor and lower background noise for better results. If transcription lags or stops, check microphone input levels in sound settings and install any Mac OS updates. If dictation still fails, reboot the Mac, toggle dictation off and on, and re-grant microphone permission under privacy and security. That quick reset fixes most issues, so you can keep dictating reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.